Ukraine uses FPV drones to intercept Russian spy drones. Ukraine has begun actively using first-person view (FPV) drones to intercept Russian reconnaissance drones. In the past few days, there have been reports of Ukrainian FPV drones successfully downing 3 ZALA drones and 1 Orlan drone. These Russian drones were conducting surveillance and adjusting artillery fire, as well as directing Lancet suicide drone strikes. Intercepting drones with other drones is a relatively new and promising approach in air defense development. Currently, Ukraine faces a significant shortage of air defense systems and cannot shoot down all Russian reconnaissance drones, which have started to penetrate hundreds of kilometers into the country. Using moderately priced FPV drones appears to be a pragmatic and innovative solution. These drones provide a cost-effective method for countering enemy surveillance and strike capabilities, particularly when traditional air defense systems are in short supply.